We have a huge facility here at Victory, and we are a multi-purpose facility which is running every single day of the year. From day one, we noticed that our maintenance was going to have to be a lot less than it was before. We had so many different shades of light coming through. Everything is uniform now, and it's fantastic. One of the benefits I wasn't prepared for but pleasantly surprised by was the occupancy sensor function of our hallway lighting. In the evenings when security would be patrolling around the outside of our building, if they notice that one of the lights are on, they will be able to recognize that someone has made their way inside the building. We have light sensors on all of our parking lot poles, and as soon as someone walks up or drives by, it raises up to almost daylight level, which is great for security of our campus.
And I'll tell you what is when you go down the hallways, the classrooms, all different areas, as you can see here in front of us, the lighting is very good. The biggest things that the teachers are talking about and the students are talking about, when you go to working on the smart board for teaching, you can dim the lights so there's no glare on the smart board, and it helps that teacher. But most of all, gives you a better environment in that classroom.
You know, there's actually research done on the type of lighting in a classroom that enhances a student's educational ability, and so we wanted to give our students that opportunity. At the same time, how can we save money? How can we be the best stewards of the finances that are coming into the school, the tuition dollars that are coming in? And so one of the things that this gave us with the LED project was a way for our energy efficiency to lower, which means we can spend less money in utilities and more money other places. Every day we've got something going on. We've got our school, kindergarten through 12th grade, we've got our church, we've got our ELC, our Early Learning Child Center. We've got really 4 campuses that we do a lot of things on. When US Energy started talking about, hey, we can do this, really with no cash investment from you guys, you continue to pay what you're already paying in energy and utility bills right now. You can upgrade close to $1 million worth of equipment. Once we saw that audit, we were able to sit down with our CFO, with our administrative pastor and myself and say, hey, this is something that I think not only benefits us, but also long-term helps us save money. I think from start to finish, it's been a great experience. I know for myself, I've already recommended it to other schools, other buildings, other places, and we'll continue to do that.